What's happening? Another day. We're going to decorate the van today. I need some posters and some stickers and stuff. Start making the van a little more homey, a little more me. The headboard's getting patches and the refrigerator's gonna get magnets, and I don't know where stickers are gonna go yet, but we're going to figure it out because I gotta have my stickers. All right, there's some decoration in here now. This wall is so boring. There's like, the van is boring. All right, Brian, thank you. This is one of the most awesome posters I own. I think it goes great in the van. Oh, I'm so stoked. That's LA, San Diego. We got our Sierra Nevada mountains, Lake Tahoe where we are, San Francisco, all the way up to Oregon, some Idaho, all Nevada, some Utah, some Arizona. Pretty much everywhere we're going to be driving and everywhere that's on fire right now. Everything's on fire right now. They just shut down most of the camping and like BLM land and a bunch of stuff like that. So that's a big bummer, but we'll make it happen. The map will lead the way. All right, on to the patches. So yeah, we'll figure out some pins on the headboard. I guess I'm just going to staple them up like all willy-nilly for now. Got a little, my stapler, where'd my stapler go? Iration, getting front row center. Cause it's like the most badass freaking patch I have. Well, I do like how quick and easy the patches can be changed. Just pull them out, rip the staples out, psh, quick, easy. Map turned out good, got magnets. It's decorating a little bit. We can add a little more. Welcome back, another day. Got a couple hours before work. These are some of the stickers that I have picked out for the van. Crystal, getting a call from Ben. On my Jeep, I had like an actual trying to go with the theme of only Tahoe blue and black and white because I only own black and white cars for some reason. Okay, so some of the stickers I've picked out, maybe some on the front window, some on the side slider door, some are going on the white paint. I don't think you could stick to the black paint. Some are going on the black window. We'll see how it goes. I gotta wash the windows first though. Okay, I think I just learned real quick that you can't put stickers, even like thick ones, on the Rhino line. It seems like it was sticking good, but instantly just peeled off. It's not very warm today either. Well, we'll see how long that lasts on there. Got a bunch of bubbles. That's the first sticker. Plotting out the rest for the window now. I narrowed it down to those. They're kind of equal sizes, like those two are kind of equal sizes. These are kind of equal sizes. These are like equal sizes. So we'll just spread them out and see how it does. All right, I think this van stickers came out great. This one was a super duper hassle. We knew that from Crystal's car. She has the same one. She has the same one too. We have a bunch of the matching stickers. I'm bummed about all the stickers that are on the Jeep that I can't have on here because they just don't exist anymore. But we'll collect some more stickers. Okay, I got some important stuff done. Got the fire alarm and carbon monoxide detector installed. Got some nerdy phone attachment going on and the GPS screen and the backup camera stereo and stickers, and I decorated the garage as well. A little sign back there in the garage. There's some stuff there. There's some stuff there. Yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for today. There's those little side panels that go next to the refrigerator, but I don't think I have a razor blade big enough to cut those, and we'll just save that for another day. Oh yeah, I also got our broom hung up. Nice little broom stand there, thingy. Keep it out of the way. Yeah, just making little minor adjustments here and there. These are the little wall panels. That's kind of how they would go. 2 different colors, checkerboard. Got to cut out all this stuff, and I'm gonna need to be able to cut that stuff out if I add anything else, because we're gonna look for heating and air conditioning and climate control sensors, so that if we do leave Shasta in here for a couple hours or whatever, out and about, we can climate control this thing while we're out. Okay, so I was trying to put the license plate light on, but the wiring's all janky. The only wiring that's back there is the backup camera. And I'm not sure if I want to use the power from that to power that license plate light. So I gave up on that. 2 screws should have been easy. Don't know which wires I'm plugging into. Don't know if the wires work. Don't have a multimeter. Bummer. Save it for another day, but it needs to get fixed soon. Can't be rolling around without a license plate light. I got the license plate light kind of figured out. It's this little box here. At least it's got a remote. So I'm gonna close this panel back up, and then I flip it on. Boom, license plate light. It's all just duct taped on there. Just duct tape that there. But I have to manually turn it on and off with the remote. Whatever, it works for now. Wonder what Crystal will think of a blacklight poster. Just kidding. Till next time, thank you for watching. Peace out.